Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you'll be learning how to design a beautiful logo for our business and for our brand. So if today is your first time on my channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification button so you get notification each time we drop new videos like this. So without wasting much of time, I'll show you step by step of how to create a beautiful logo for your business and for your brand. So the first thing to hear when you open your pixellab, you see the interface like this. So the first thing is to delete this up. So come over to background. First of all, choose your image size. So I'll come over this, I'll use YouTube thumbnail. So I think this is okay. So the second thing is for me is to choose your color. So I'll choose yellow color for my own. So I'll make that yellow. So this next thing here is to come over to the then bring in shapes. So I'll bring in a wide shape here. So the next thing here is to increase the radius to 100. Then think it's okay now. Then the second thing here is to copy this so okay, make the first one here, make the color to be black so we can easily identify that. So the next thing here is for you, make this circle here, use relative position to make that to be centralized. So I think it's okay now. Okay, the second one here is bring it here, reduce the size. So also use relative precision to make that to centralize. Okay, we are good to go. So after that, copy the white circle again, copy that again, then place it here, come over to the layers, then lock that up and make it invisible. So the next thing here, after you have gotten to this point here, so the next thing here is for you to bring in another shapes. So make use of a rectangular shape now. So you're making use of a rectangular shape now. So you reduce the size. So okay, so we use relative position also to make that to be centralized. So okay, after getting to this point now, this is where you copy this one again, copy it again. This time change the color to black, so then reduce the size to this. Then I think it's okay, then place it here, then copy it again so you get the exact size. Also place it here, make sure that you have equal size at the middle. So okay, we are done. Okay, like this. So come over to the layers, then the circle we had, so unlock it, then make it visible, then bring it to this part, make that to be visible. Now send the circle to front. Okay, we are good to go. So make that to be centralized. Okay, so I hope you have been getting value from this video. So kindly like and share and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any comment about this logo. So and also subscribe to our channel so you get notification each time we drop new videos like this. So the next thing here is to bring in another shape, which is a small shape like this, small rectangular shape like this. So check the mark. So how to get an equal space at the size. So I think let's make this to be, let's rotate this again. So we have, so come over to here, click on rotation. We have -23 here, we have -23 here. So come over to this side, make that to be +23. also. So we have gotten to this point here. So let me show you how to get equal space at the side. Come over to this, use this tool here, then click on setting, then bring this one here. So click on the check, click on here to check. That's 72, 72, 72. Okay, then also come over to here, bring this one here, then click here to see. That should be, is not equal now. That should be, this place should be minus, this should be 28. So I'll click on OK. So I'll come over to here, I'll bring this shape a little to front. So I'll bring in the, I'll use it to again. So I'll check that up, 28. Okay, when you plus 28 to 72, that gives you 100. So the next thing here is for me to bring this shape up. So I think now, so I'll bring this one up. I think now we now have equal space now. So I will, now we now have equal space. So the next thing here, I'll come over to the layers now, then match everything up, match everything, all the whole element, the shape we created, you match everything up. Then so you can see now that we now have one element here, so you can reduce the size now to what you want. So the next thing here is to come over to erase color, erase color, then erase the color. Okay, you can see now we now have a beautiful logo. So the next thing here is to come over to text. You can put whatever you want, but for me I will make use of my the first letter of my brand. So I'll click on the plus sign, I'll edit that. So I'll use first letter of my brand, which is R. So I'll bring that up, I'll turn it to capital letter, then I will increase the size, so okay, I'll use the position. So I will bring that down, I'll bring it down, so I'll bring it down. So I believe you have been getting value from this video. Kindly subscribe to our channel so you get notification each time we drop new videos like this. So okay, I think this is okay. I'll bring that down. So I'll come over to font, I'll choose a beautiful font for this. So for me I will use Chooks 5. So I'll bring it down. So I'll choose color, I'll come over to color, make the color to be black. So the next thing here is for me to copy this again. Copy, I'll edit that, then edit, then I'll write reach sound teacher up. So I'll put that, I'll bring it down, then this time I'll reduce size, I'll bring it down. So we have been able to create a beautiful logo like this. So the next thing here is you can make the write-up to be bigger or smaller. So for me, I think like this is okay for me. So the next thing here is for me is for you to come over to background again, make the background to be transparent. But before saving it, you can also save it like this. So come over to this part, save it as image. So you can put in the dimension, I'll put ultra, then you save it. So you can also save it for you to be using this for another design, which is you have to save it as PNG. Come over to here, so make it transparent, so you save it up like this. So come over here, save it, you can the format, let the format to be in png, and also choose the dimension, then you save it. So with this we are good to go. So thanks for watching.